Good morning, 你好. Welcome to Blockchain and Lindy Chen channel. My name is Lindy Chen. I'm very excited to be here and share my insight about blockchain with you. Yesterday, I shared with you the application potential and document the application potential. Today, I will share with you characteristics of the blockchain and the generic application patterns of the blockchain. Introduction. Often the first question is, what problem is the blockchain solving? Well, a fair question. It does assume that we know what we know, and that the blockchain is for solving problems that we are aware of. What if the blockchain could create new opportunities and new markets as well as solve problems? We know that the internet not only solved problems, but it also creates new opportunity and new markets. What if the blockchain could assist in enabling organizational capability? The blockchain can address all three in parallel and be a catalyst for some very real innovation. 1. Problem solving. 2. Creation of opportunity. 3. Enabling capability. Characteristics of blockchain. Now that we have determined how the blockchain works, it is time to revisit the major characteristics of the blockchain. The blockchain has the following characteristics, which are independent of any data stored in a block. Immutable. The block is unchangeable. Append only. Nodes may only append to an existing block when creating a new block. Time-stamped and ordered. Each block is time-stamped so that there is a natural chronological order to each block. Hash puzzles must be solved before the next block is verified or the node will be rejected. Time is of the essence. Transparent and open. A core concept used to verify ownership and prevent double spending, where the content of the block is visible to all who are authorized to view it. Secure. Cryptographic hashing is used to identify blocks and authorized user, like a digital fingerprint. Consistent at a point. The block will require a minimum 51% of the nodes to reach consensus, at which time it will be regarded within the blockchain as immutable. It is important to have a clear understanding of these characteristics as they differentiate a blockchain-driven network from a centralized system. Generic application pattern of the blockchain. Now that we understand the characteristics of the blockchain, we can consider the typical use of the blockchain. Following are some generic applications for the blockchain. Proof of existence. The purpose of the data stored in the block is proof of the existence of the data information, such as registry of names, license, patents, property title, asset transfer, etc. Proof of non-existence. Conversely, if it is not in the block, then it likely doesn't exist. Proof of time. Time-stamping transaction is critical when tracking the initiation and the progress of transaction, such as when a payment has been made, bidding, notification, such as traffic offenses or critical invoicing dates, etc. Proof of order. Chronological tracking of transaction is a critical process for many activities. Project management, where contingent activity are critical, support escalation processes, intellectual property registration, etc. Proof of identity. Much like proof of existence, the cryptographic hashing provides proof that the specific identifier actually exists, such as digital identification of people, livestock, documents, goods. Proof of ownership considers proof of existence, order, and identity in conjunction with identification and authorization, such as real estate and assets, shares, bonds, cryptocurrencies, and tokens. Proof of authorship. Intermediary will add data to the blockchain where they are authorized to do so. Authorization is necessary to prevent addition of data to a block by someone who doesn't have the right to do so. Tracking changes to documents, collaborative editing, such as blogs and online content, copyright, and plagiarism tools used by educational institutions. In the same way that innovators used the World Wide Web characteristics and patterns for applications such as e-commerce, e-businesses, and social networking. The above provide insights into application patterns that the innovator will use to build applications using blockchain technology and peer-to-peer network. The above application pattern also provided the basis for a new flow of value, where blockchain-driven peer-to-peer networks can transform global value chain through the blockchain information flows. As occurred with the Internet, it is likely that we will see new blockchain-driven organizations emerges just as new Internet-only companies have emerged. Consider new organizations that provide blockchain-driven only application, online identity and reputation, content creation, collaboration and distribution, blockchain software development and fabric, blockchain infrastructure and networks, blockchain ecosystem interoperability and integration, digital wallets, use blockchain for internal processes or re-engineering customer-facing services and processes to blockchain-driven services and processes, legal and financial disintermediation. The core tenet of immutable transfer of value will undoubtedly underpin innovative application of the blockchain. From myself, the team at China Direct Sourcing, the team at Freezen Technology, and the team at Blockchain Collective. Thank you for watching this video series. If you like what you see and hear and want to know more about it, please subscribe our channel and contact us. Good luck with your blockchain learning journey. Enjoy the program.